At the Integrated Polytechnic Regional College here in Kigali, Rwandan researchers in collaboration with mechanics and technologists at Beno Holdings, also in Rwanda, have launched up power technology to help in reducing emissions from vehicles that pollute the air. Some of the participants in the study, Mbonigaba Innocent, a lecturer at the IPRC Kigali, and Dr. Ejid Kalisa of the University of Rwanda explain how this method works. We close it off where the fuel passes, from the tank to the engine, and close it to the outside air entering the engine, and close it again where the water then cools the engine. It makes the engine burn better and prevents it from emitting air pollutants.
Complete combustion.
This goes through the fuel line, which causes what we would call complete combustion, where the air often came out seemingly too hot, and makes it accelerate so that the air coming out doesn't have any different colorants. What this machine does is capture different data, which we take to the lab to analyze. This study is expected to be completed in September this year. It seems that the research is nearing its end so far at 70%, and as soon as we see it at 100% efficient, the university will come and show it to you, because we have enough equipment to take the rest of the research and make it available to the public. There's been a lot of research done on engines, whether on petrol or diesel, that we use, all of which we are putting together, and we are now going to get one solution which we have started to test on cars, and so far it's working well. There's a reduction in air pollutants, and reduction of vehicle consumption is between 10 to 15%, while pollution reductions are at about 37, probably more. Vehicles are usually inspected by the Police Motor Vehicle Inspection Center for excessive emissions, and Remy Norbert Duhuze, the Director of Environmental Regulation and Pollution Control at the Rwanda Environment Management Authority, says that in addition to thinking about electric cars, they are supporting technology that will help in this regard. The issue of air pollution is a matter of concern and calls for Rwandans to take immediate action. We have to find ways to reduce emissions from vehicles, which is why there should be technology that reduces those emissions, but especially owners of the cars need to take care of them. We know that different technologies in the world are helping vehicles to reduce the amount of polluting emissions, and we hope that once the numbers are available, they will show us that they are actually reducing at an exciting rate, which is something we are happy to hear and we will be able to contribute to. According to Rema, during the lockdown period when cars weren't moving, air pollution was reduced by 24% in Kigali city, while in provinces it reduced by 30% and more.